Affordable housing is all the talk right now, and several high profiles are stepping up to the plate to try to create more of it. On an Instagram post, rapper T.I. gave the world a tease today of him and his wife Tiny's new mixed-use housing development in the Bankhead section of Atlanta where he grew up. The development is said to be about 40% done and is set to launch sometime in 2022. Now, we have certainly heard a lot about T.I. and Tiny lately, but all that aside, the two are still doing big things. And as he states, don't focus on me, focus on what I'm doing. According to T.I., the development will include a community center, a garden, a greenhouse, and over 140 affordable housing units. This is our first project that's a development, and proud of it, he said.
I ain't got my hat on me. So yeah, checking on my development here on Bankhead, man, you know what I'm saying? It's right here, used to be the old Kmart, Giant Food. Now we got a affordable housing, 143 units going up, mixed use community, you dig? We about 40% done, man. We supposed to be done sometime next year. Since everybody's so much from here, let's see what you done did for here, you dig? I ain't finna do no whole bunch of jaw jacking. I'ma show mine. But, you know, this is our first project as developers. We're proud of it. Let me move my goddamn car. Get out the way. What's up, sir? On my way. All right. Where can I be out the way? You gonna pull up this way? Okay, I'll pull this way and let you out. All right, say less. Huh? We ain't did it yet. We on the way though. We on the way.
This is amazing.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Let me get out the way, man. Cause indeed people mess around, drop a metal beam on your car or something. Don't be trying to sue now. We ain't got How you doing? Yeah, man. So we got community centers, greenhouse, community garden. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who asking where is this is right on Bankhead. You know what I mean? Did the same Kmart that me and my grandmama used to come in, man. You know what I'm saying? Buy bike parts and shit out of. You know what I'm saying? The same grocery store my grandmama used to come and buy fruits, vegetables, and all our groceries, fruit roll-ups and shit like that for me. You dig? So I got love for everybody over here. But if anybody got anything to say about me, shit, man. Don't look at me, look at my work. Don't look at me, look at my work. Look at my move. Shit, we can kill all the cap.